Hi, my name is Anita Callaway, and yesterday I got a chance to meet with Kelly Cole, the famous Kelly Cole. He is an awesome coach, first and foremost, and I am an aspiring author, and he gave me some great nuggets about how to go ahead and finish a book, number one, but more importantly, how when I complete a book, that's going to open up so many different opportunities, and I hadn't even thought about that going in. But now he gave me a new perspective about what a book can do for you. So I implore you, if you are looking to write a book, start a business, holler at Kelly Cole. He will get you in the right direction. And even the business that I'm trying to start, he gave me some specific examples on how to monetize. And the point of going into business is to get money, right? So he gave me some great examples of how to monetize, especially on social media. And he has this gift to bring out what you didn't even know you had in you. So when I was talking to him, my wheels were turning. I was asking him all types of questions, and he just got me thinking on a different level, thinking about how to go and get it and not to be afraid to ask for it because you are definitely worth it. So all those people who want to write a book, who wants to start a business, holler at Kelly Cole. He's straightforward. He's very productive. He's real, straightforward. He's real. And he also will create concrete solutions to your problems. Now, I was apprehensive about this business I was starting and some of the things that I wanted to do. And he just gave it to me on the real, on what to do. So I encourage everybody who's thinking about getting a session with Kelly Cole, but just to go ahead and book, he's worth the money.